Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and informative topic to discuss: the 9 essential vitamins that can support blood health and help prevent and dissolve blood clots. Before we begin, remember that this information is for educational purposes only, and if you have any health concerns, consult a healthcare professional. Now, let's dive right in. 1. Vitamin A. First up is vitamin A, also known as retinol or beta-carotene. It's well known for its role in maintaining healthy vision, but did you know that it also supports healthy blood circulation? Vitamin A is a potent antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels. By preventing oxidative damage, it can help reduce the risk of blood clot formation. You can find vitamin A in orange and yellow fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and mangoes, as well as in leafy greens like spinach and kale. 2. Vitamin C. Next, we have vitamin C, the superstar immune booster. But beyond that, vitamin C plays a crucial role in promoting blood vessel health. It is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that helps maintain the integrity of blood vessel walls. Strong and healthy blood vessels are less likely to develop clots. Vitamin C is abundant in citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, as well as in strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is next on our list. This powerful antioxidant is known for its skin benefits, but it also helps prevent blood clot formation. It achieves this by inhibiting platelet aggregation, meaning it reduces the tendency of platelets to stick together and form clots. Additionally, vitamin E protects blood vessels from damage, maintaining their health and function. You can find vitamin E in nuts and seeds, such as almonds and sunflower seeds, as well as in spinach, avocados, and vegetable oils. 4. Vitamin K. Now, let's talk about vitamin K, which comes in 2 primary forms, K1, phylloquinone, and K2, menaquinone. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting, as it helps produce several proteins involved in the process. On one hand, it aids the body in forming blood clots when needed, such as during injury. On the other hand, it ensures that clots dissolve after healing, preventing excessive clot formation. Leafy greens like kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are excellent sources of vitamin K1, while vitamin K2 is found in fermented foods like natto and cheese. 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. While it's well known for its role in bone health, it also supports cardiovascular health, including blood clot prevention. Vitamin D helps maintain proper calcium levels in the blood, which are necessary for normal blood clotting regulation. Adequate vitamin D levels can help prevent abnormal clot formation. You can get vitamin D from sunlight exposure and dietary sources like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. 6. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a vital role in heart health. It helps reduce the levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, is linked to an increased risk of blood clot formation and atherosclerosis. By keeping homocysteine in check, vitamin B6 contributes to overall cardiovascular health. You can find vitamin B6 in foods like chickpeas, salmon, potatoes, and bananas. 7. Vitamin B9. Folate. Now, let's talk about vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid. This essential vitamin is critical for the formation of red and white blood cells. Proper levels of folate support healthy blood cells, reducing the risk of clot formation. Additionally, folate helps metabolize homocysteine, further contributing to heart health. You can get folate from foods like leafy greens, legumes, fortified cereals, and citrus fruits. 8. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also called cobalamin, is another crucial vitamin for blood health. It works closely with vitamin B9 to support the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Additionally, vitamin B12 aids in regulating homocysteine levels, thus playing a role in preventing blood clotting issues. Good sources of vitamin B12 include meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. 9. Vitamin B3, niacin. Last but not least, let's discuss vitamin B3, also known as niacin. This water-soluble vitamin plays a significant role in cardiovascular health. Niacin helps support healthy cholesterol levels, raising the good HDL cholesterol while lowering bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. By reducing inflammation and promoting proper blood flow, niacin contributes to overall blood health. You can find niacin in foods like lean meats, fish, nuts, and whole grains. There you have it, the 9 essential vitamins that can significantly contribute to supporting blood health and reducing the risk of blood clot formation. Remember, a well-balanced diet rich in these vitamins, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can go a long way in promoting overall cardiovascular health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye.